Welcome to our guide on the top 5 high-end appliances to have in your home. Investing in luxury appliances not only elevates the aesthetic of your space, but also significantly enhances functionality and energy efficiency. Let's explore these must-have appliances that can transform your daily living experience. First on our list is the smart refrigerator. With features like touchscreens, interior cameras, and energy-efficient designs, these refrigerators do more than just keep your food cold. They help you manage your groceries, create shopping lists, and even suggest recipes based on what you have at home, all while reducing energy consumption. Next up is the smart oven. Equipped with precise temperature controls and smart displays, these ovens allow you to monitor your meals from anywhere using your smartphone. Many models also offer energy-saving modes, ensuring that your cooking is not only convenient, but environmentally friendly as well. A high-end dishwasher is essential for any luxury kitchen. Look for models that feature advanced cleaning technologies and energy-efficient settings. Many come with smart connectivity, enabling you to start a cycle remotely or receive notifications when your dishes are clean, making your life easier while conserving water and energy. For coffee lovers, a top-tier coffee maker is a game changer. High-end models offer customizable brewing options, integrated grinders, and even smart displays that let you schedule brews from your phone. This luxury appliance not only enhances your morning routine, but also reduces energy usage with programmable settings. Finally, consider investing in a high-efficiency washer and dryer set. Many modern appliances come with smart technology that allows for remote monitoring and control, as well as features that optimize water and energy consumption. These machines not only care for your clothes, but also contribute to a more sustainable home. By incorporating these top 5 high-end appliances into your home, you can elevate your living experience while improving energy efficiency. These modern conveniences not only make everyday tasks easier, but also enhance the overall elegance of your space. For more information, you can visit our website at hdcbuild.com.